Hello, welcome to this video looking at how to copy layers into new Photoshop documents. So let's say we want to copy this layer here. We've got the Zoas site here and we want to copy it into a new document. Well, pretty straightforward. All we can do is we can create a new document and there it is, right? So all we have to do is we drag the image up to here until we get into the tab. Then from this position, we drag it down until we get the plus, and you can see it's now in the new tab. We can also move between tabs by pressing Control and then the backwards apostrophe next to the 1. So you see if I press Control, I can go between the two documents there. If we go down to the bottom here, you can see that we've got 25%. Now if we wanted to change that, if we press Control, you'll see that we get a two-headed arrow, which means that we can drag it left to right, and then we'll be able to zoom in and out. If we do Control-Alt, you'll see we'll be able to go in very fine increments, and Control-Shift does much larger increments. If we click on this, if we click here on the status bar, you can see we can see the width and the height, channels and resolution. If we press Control, it will tell us the tile width and the image. And generally, if you look at it, you can see there's a few kind of important things to look at here. The ones that I've chosen here, I've actually put them on the info panel. You can do that by going to the panel options, and you can choose. This is the same menu as this button here. Probably the most useful one, I would guess, is probably the current tool. So you can see this is a good way just to see what every tool is very, very quickly. So we can also do window arrange, new window, and we'll pull that out. And this creates a duplicate window. So I could like do brightness, and you see it lets you use both windows at exactly the same time. But yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today. So thanks for watching.